Hi there, let's turn our rough video. Into a cinematic video by adding cinematic bar. And there are two ways for adding those cinematic bars. Specifically, I'm talking for mobile users. That's tablets, iPads, mobile phones, Android and iPhone as well. So for the sake of today's tutorial, I'll just use my iPad for demonstration. I'll use the Imovie. In the Imovie app, how do we place cinematic bar? There are two options. The first one is either by importing cinematic bars that have the effect of green or blue effect. Because we have a blue or green effect, we can just use that, a chrome key instead of that. Or the second one, we can use PGN or PNG. Well, if you are confused between the two, which one should you use? The green or blue effect cinematic bars, or should you use the PNG? You can get that answer in this video. Let us open our iMovie. And as you can see, our video is already color graded over here. The footage are so clear, so we just need to add those cinematic bars. Well, there are two options we can grab. Let me show you from inside on photos here, imported. Option number one is either to add this green screen. So the green screen bar, how do we download them? We can just go from Google Chrome. We can type here, if we just need to search, write cinematic bars PNG. They will come of this format, so you can take one like this, tap and hold on it, then click save. It will be saved already in your photo. This is number one, which you can use cinematic bars. And the other one which you can use also, we can use cinematic bars green screen, black bars green screen. So they will come of this type. Let's go on image. Yeah, like this cinematic bar, you can download this, tap and hold it, then click save. So now both are cinematic bars. You can choose of any dimension which you want, any shape as well. So let's get back. Now that we have downloaded them, we want to import them over here. So let's start by importing the blue-green screen. Tap it, then tap the three icon bars over here. Then you can choose green or blue screen. When you choose that and you import, it will be imported like that. So it will start like that. The Chrome key will function on our iMovie. It will remove it. Now we can see our cinematic bar has been placed already on the clip. So you can see over here. The downside of this blue-green screen is that you cannot adjust it on the screen, because when the video plays on the screen here, you can see there is imagination, like there is lagging of or incompetence of the black bars on the space. You can see the color of the video still appearing at the margin of the clip. Let me close and try to play like in a full. Hello guys, I'm finally glad to announce my first university. You can see little pink color appearing here at the top, and you can see this pink color. So the downside of this blue to green screen cinematic bars is that you don't have the option to edit it. You have the option to edit, but it doesn't fit that. You can just edit. You have only these two options. If you touch either to decrease the strength or even to trim, if is to remove maybe this margin over this side to be empty there. You want just your bars. If you want your cinematic bar to be only down the clip, it is the best option. Like let me try to put it this way. If I want just my cinematic bar to be only down the clip, it is a perfect. For example, if you want to put subtitles here down, it is a perfect idea over there, but it doesn't correlate to be a cinematic logo. So the best option is to use PNG. Let's input our PNG, open the photo, recent added, click our PNG, tap these 3 dots and click picture in picture. Don't click cut away because it will just cover up the clip. Click picture in picture. Yes, after importing, now you can see it has been located there. Tap on the bar over there at the top, then tap on this margin, this little like a red cross, this one. Tap over that because it allows you to pinch, to resize it, and drag your fingers, tap using 2 fingers, tap at the center of the center of this picture and try to zoom by separating the fingers or widening the fingers apart, and make sure these yellow margins disappear, like it goes beyond, like that. It shouldn't be seen. When it's not now like that, you can see now how a cinematic bar looks like. If you see this is not, if you wanna decrease the size of cinematic bar, you can go on and tap on that cross icon and go on to squeezing, like separating. It means you decrease. You can see now I've decreased the cinematic bar. To restore it, try to pinch inward to increase the surface, now like that. Now that's a perfect cinematic look. Different from this, you can see this blue to green cinematic look or cinematic bars. They are left with some lagging or lacking of competence to cover the color and stuff like that. So it's still showing, and it's not professional. So professional, you can just make your videos using the iPhone. If you have, you can download this iMovie, is free, and if you have the iPad also, you can download the iMovie for free, and that's it. So like that, if you want to extend, you can just extend it up to where you want.